This is or.
Or.
Or is a long sound. Long sounds are like other big sounds, but we say them for a long time. We make or by making a round shape with our mouth. It's a little bit like oh, but it makes it sound for a long time. Or is a little different from the other sounds. It doesn't really have favourite letters. Instead, there are lots of letters that or sometimes likes to go into. We sometimes see or in OR in words like horse or sport. We see it in OOR in words like door. We sometimes see it in AW in words like straw. Ooh, and claw. In ORE in words like saw. In A in words like water. In AU in words like sauce. In OUR in words like pour. And in AR in words like warm. Or likes lots and lots and lots of letters. Even though or doesn't have a favourite letter, one letter that we often see or in is letter A. Lots of sounds like letter A, so it can be hard to know what sound is inside it. However, if we see letter A next to LL, it is normally or that is inside it. We can see this in words like all, ball, tall, wall, and lots of others. Or loves to go into letter A before LL. Or doesn't have a favourite letter, and there are lots of letters that we can find it in. But this is just how or likes it. It gets bored being in just one letter, so make sure you're always ready to find it in different letters in different words.